our true nature is emptiness. That's our baseline. The emptiness is not empty though. It's full, always present in us. And that is consciousness, that's awareness. Awareness, consciousness is without the layer. And some people say it void. So our true nature is that. But somehow, we keep collecting things and we hold on to things. When we are being part of the experiential world, we are observing things, we're experiencing things. And from that experience, what happens, we like something, we don't like something, and from there, we choose something and we repeat something. And repeating is the way to condition the body and condition the mind. And when we see so much chaotic stuff happening in the world and from our past experience, and we create the boundary to hold on to things so our life can be better. And there's nothing wrong with that. But holding on to the things comes from the past experience of struggle, and our ego self don't want to suffer, don't want to go through the struggle and pain and fear. And then there's attachment. There's a psychological play happens and we hold on to things. Definitely, again, we need things in life to enjoy life. But we holding on to things is the thing that is making us suffer physically and mentally. We need to recognize where we are, and we need to let things come and go according to the nature way of things. Now, put this scenario in the things that you are aligned with. Your job, your relationship, your family, whatever relationship is there in your life, to all aspects of life. Notice how we are holding on to things and how we are trying to make it permanent. And we are trying to